Alrighty, today we will be creating a walrus, so let's get started. We are going to get started with an upside down U, just like that. Now this part is pretty tricky because we need to have a curved line that comes down and then it comes back up. So watch what I do first, and you might need to practice this a little. You come down and then you come back up to a point, just like that. Now for this line, we're going to come down, squiggle up, and meet at that point as well. Now we're going to create his tummy. So let's start about 2/3 of the way down your first line, and you make like an upside down J. Now to make his flippers, what we need to do is we need to make a curved line coming this way and a curved line coming this way. That's his one flipper on his one side. And then on this side, this one's going to be sticking out a little, just like that. So curved line out and a curved line back in. Now for his face, we are going to make some eyes, some wide set eyes, and a mouth with some tusks coming out. So his tusks are kind of long, but they're also rounded at the end, just like this, with a little nose and a line coming down from the nose. Now we're going to give him some whiskers, some long whiskers, maybe just 2 or 3. And there's your walrus. I hope you like him. Thank you for watching. Bye.